Welcome to the PARS Health TV channel. We hope you're having a good day and you are happy and healthy. In this channel, we give you tips to keep you healthy and out of trouble. In this video, we want to talk about food and vegetables with low calories or no calories. This video is for educational purposes only, and if you have any specific condition or illness, you should consult with your doctor. Calories provide the energy that your body needs to function and stay alive. While there is no evidence to support that negative-calorie foods burn more calories than they provide, foods that are already low in calories may provide fewer calories than expected. This is because your body uses energy to digest them. If you're trying to decrease your total calorie intake, eating more low-calorie foods, such as certain fruits and vegetables, is an easy way to achieve that goal. One of the most challenging aspects of weight loss is cutting back on calories. Many low-calorie foods can leave you feeling hungry and unfulfilled between meals, making it much more tempting to overeat and indulge. Fortunately, plenty of healthy foods exist that are both filling and low in calories. Cutting back on calories doesn't mean you have to constantly feel hungry or unsatisfied between meals. Eating a wide variety of filling foods with plenty of protein and fiber can fight cravings and decrease hunger to make weight loss easier than ever. Paired with an active lifestyle and well-rounded diet, these low-calorie foods can keep you feeling satisfied throughout the day. Incorporating nutritious lower-calorie foods into the diet can help reduce the total daily calories a person consumes, which can help them lose weight or maintain a moderate weight. If you like topics like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to see daily videos just like this one. Alright, let's get started. Here is a list of 10 low-calorie foods that may help people who wish to lose weight, plus information on their nutritional value. 1. Apples. Apples are rich in vitamin C. They are also a good source of fiber, which can aid gut health. 1 cup, 125 grams, of apple slices has 57 calories, and almost 3 grams of dietary fiber. Since your body has to burn energy to digest apples, the net amount of calories provided by this fruit is probably fewer than reported. 2. Oats. Oats can be an excellent addition to a healthy weight loss diet. They're not only low in calories but also high in protein and fiber that keep you feeling full. A half cup, 40 grams, serving of dry oats has just 148 calories but packs 5.5 grams of protein and 3.8 grams of fiber, both of which can have a significant impact on your hunger and appetite. Oats, which are high in fiber and protein, work to reduce hunger, increase feelings of fullness, and improve appetite control. 3. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is a great source of protein that can help curb cravings and promote weight loss. Though the exact numbers vary between brands and flavors, a 2/3 cup, 150 grams, serving of Greek yogurt typically provides about 130 calories and 11 grams of protein. Greek yogurt is high in protein and linked to less hunger, subdued calorie intake, and increased feelings of fullness. 4. Soup. Though soup is often dismissed as little more than a light and simple side dish, it can be very satisfying. Some research suggests that soups may be more filling than solid foods, even if they have the same ingredients. Keep in mind that creamy soups and chowders, while filling, may also be high in calories. 5. Eggs. Eggs are extremely nutrient-dense, as they're low in calories but rich in many vital nutrients. A single large egg has approximately 72 calories, 6 grams of protein, and a wide array of important vitamins and minerals. Studies suggest that starting your day with a serving of eggs can reduce hunger and boost fullness. Eggs are packed with protein and make a superb low-calorie breakfast choice. 6. Popcorn. Thanks to its high fiber content, popcorn tops the charts as one of the most filling low-calorie snacks. Though there are only 31 calories in 1 cup, 8 grams, of air-popped popcorn, it boasts 1.2 grams of dietary fiber, up to 5% of your daily fiber needs. Not only does fiber slow your digestive process to promote fullness, but it can also stabilize blood sugar to prevent hunger and cravings. Additionally, popcorn can help reduce appetite and enhance feelings of fullness more than many other popular snack foods. However, keep in mind that these benefits apply to air-popped popcorn. Many ready-made varieties are prepared with a lot of unhealthy fats, artificial flavorings, and added salt or sugar, which greatly increases the calorie content. 7. Fish. Fish is rich in protein and heart-healthy fats. For instance, a 3-ounce, 85 grams, serving of cod provides over 15 grams of protein, and under 70 calories. What's more, fish protein may be especially beneficial for reducing hunger levels and appetite. To cut calorie consumption even further, opt for lean fish like cod, flounder, halibut, or sole over higher calorie options like salmon, sardines, or mackerel. 8. Potatoes. Potatoes are often dismissed as unhealthy and harmful due to their association with high-fat French fries and potato chips. However, the truth is that potatoes can be a filling and nutritious part of a healthy diet. One medium-baked potato with a skin contains 161 calories but provides 4 grams each of protein and fiber as well. 9. Vegetables. These fresh, low-calorie foods add pep and flavor to a salad or meal. Try incorporating more fiber-rich vegetables into cooking to make filling and nutritious meals. Green or black olives. Olives are high in calcium, vitamin E, and iron, with 15 grams serving of olives containing just 22 calories. Peppers. 85 grams serving of peppers contains just 25 calories. All varieties of pepper are a great source of vitamin C and B6. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are an excellent source of the antioxidant lycopene, as well as being high in vitamin C, potassium, folate, and vitamin K. A 126 gram serving contains 25 calories. Celery. A whole stalk of celery contains fewer than 6 calories. Celery is a good source of dietary fiber and contains plenty of antioxidants, including vitamin C and flavonoids. Iceberg lettuce. Iceberg lettuce is rich in vitamins A and K, as well as folate. 1 cup, 72 grams, of shredded lettuce contains only 10 calories. Cucumber. Cucumber is high in vitamin K. 1 cup of sliced cucumber, around 120 grams, contains just 18 calories. Carrots. Carrots make the perfect snack. Packed with vitamin C, K, and B vitamins, 1 small carrot, 5.5 inches, is just 20 calories. 10. Beverages, coffee, herbal tea, water, carbonated water. Some beverages are very low in calories, especially when you don't add anything to them. Plain water contains no calories. Most herbal teas and carbonated waters have 0 to very few calories, while black coffee has only 2 calories per cup, 237 grams. Choosing these drinks over beverages with added sugar, cream or juice can help you reduce your calorie intake. Many nutritious foods offer plenty of vitamins and minerals, many of which are low in calories. Low-calorie foods can help a person feel full while reducing their daily calorie intake, which can help with weight loss. Many delicious foods are low in calories. Most of them are fruits and vegetables that also contain nutrients that benefit your health. Eating a variety of these foods will provide you with plenty of nutrients for a minimal amount of calories. If you are interested in videos like this, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We hope you have a wonderful day. See you in the next video.